Hi you guys, and thank you so much for tuning into my channel. So today I have January's Allure beauty box. Do you want to know what's in my box? Stay tuned. Okay you guys, so January 2021 Allure beauty box just arrived. Let's go ahead and take a look. Maybe I'm hoping they're gonna start the new year with a better box. That's what I'm hoping. So let's go ahead and see what we are going to have. When you open it up, there is the brochure right on top, and then here is the products inside. Oh, I got excited. I was like, wait a minute, there's like two products here. One of them says $59 and one says $110. These two right here. I was like, holy shit, is that what is inside of my box? Like, am I gonna get one of those and that's gonna be the full size product? Hello, there's this little guy. So let's start with this thing. Holy moly, the samples I think are getting smaller and smaller. I don't even know. And this is like a glass bottle too, it feels like. Yeah, it's a glass bottle. I don't know what that says, and I'm not even going to try. It says, I have no clue. Huli and something serum, I have no clue. That is what this product is. So this first product here, it looks like this is going to be a night serum. It does have like a little pump. So if we were to, it's like a clear, it has a really nice, ooh, yeah, it has a really nice scent to it. That smells really nice. So you have this night serum, you can try it out, and if you like it, you can buy the full bigger size bottle for $59. But it smells really good. So there's that. Now, let's see. This says the Beauty Crop Blush Duo. This says that it is valued for $10. So it's like a liquid formula and then like a powder formula. I don't know, I don't use blush, so I'm just going to put this right back in the box and put it in a future giveaway for one of you guys to hopefully enjoy. So there's a blush valued at $10. So then now we have, it says True and Luscious Super Moisture Lipstick. This right here says it's valued for $22. This better be a good lipstick. So there's the packaging. It's nice and sleek. It kind of has like a shiny coat to this, and then it does have like their little logo, like the wings right there in the front of it, and that is what that looks like. That looks like a really pretty color though, I'm not gonna lie. Let's see, and it's like scooped on the top. Let's see what color this is. Ooh, I actually like that. Let's put it on. There you go. I actually like the color because it's not too dark, but it's like I mean, it doesn't really go with this burgundy that I'm wearing, so it's kind of throwing the color off because it's more of like a browner tone to it, but I really like that color. And it feels nice quality, so for, oh, I'm like, it doesn't even close. So for $22, this does feel like a nice quality lipstick, so I'm excited that it came in a box because I would not spend $22 on a lipstick. So there's the third item. Here's this little pamphlet for that serum, and it talks about what if you could reset your skin in just one night. Our nighttime serum puts dull skin to bed. No wonder it's bought once every minute worldwide. Holy moly. So that's this guy. One purchase every minute worldwide. Holy moly. Huh? All right, now I'm really excited to try that. Okay, you guys, so now base blue. And it says an air sponge. It's valued at $7, and you can get it at basebluecosmetics.com. So there's this little tiny air sponge, and I don't use any type of like liquid formulas or anything like that, so I would not use this. So I'm gonna go ahead and set this aside with the blush to go in a future giveaway for one of you guys. So it looks like they give you a card for a $30 voucher that you can use to purchase nail gel decals. Why wouldn't they just give us some to try out? Why do we have to have a car to make us go and do something else to get them? That's kind of odd. Okay, so I'm not gonna do that, but if you wanted to, you could, I guess, do that and buy some gel nail right there and put them on your nails. I don't know. I just think if that's what they were gonna do, they should have given us like a little trial set or one set in the box, like at random, and let us try them out versus here's a $30 voucher. Now go find the company and go find what you want, and hopefully you spend under 30. So there's that. So then the last item, you guys, is going to be right here. This is from Saturday Skin, and it says Rub-a-Dub Refining Peel Gel. Directions: cleanse and then pat dry. Gently apply to your face and then rub in a circular motion for 1 minute. Rinse clean with warm water. May be used once or twice a week. Valued at $28. Yeah, I'm not going to, I don't like products like that. I like the ones you can leave on your face and just let them go, not the ones you put on and have to wash off. I'm just picky like that. It's my own skin, I'm allowed. So this is gonna go in a future giveaway as well. So what am I keeping? The lipstick and this little serum? Yeah, that's the only thing that I'm keeping from this box. So that is everything that came in this January box, you guys. You have this Rub-a-Dub-Dub, and it looks like that. So you have this product, you have the lipstick, which I actually really do like. You have this sample to try out. You have this little tiny sponge, and then this little blush duo. That is everything, you guys. I'm really glad that I bought my year the very last chance I could, getting the same $15. Was it $15 or $18 before? I can't even remember now, honestly. I think it was 18. Either way, I'm so glad that I bought my year at the lower price point, because right now being $23, I don't feel this box is really worth it as much as it was before anyway. It just still seems like we're getting a lot of sample sizes, and then the full size products are not as good as we've even gotten before. Like a few years ago, we got some really cool products in this box, but that's my own opinion. So you guys comment down below, let me know, do you still have Allure? Have you canceled Allure like a lot of you guys are telling me? Do you think this was a good month? Did you like the products that were inside of this month? If you get it or not, what do you think? Comment down below. Your positive interaction means the world, and I greatly do appreciate it. If you want a little bit more information about Allure, now they're doing this box $23 per month. It's supposed to be 6+, valued at $100 or more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, if you're gonna consider this the 6th item, other than that, we have 5 items, you guys, and a little gift card to get some nail things. So that's it. So comment down below. Again, your positive interaction means the world, and I greatly do appreciate it, as I greatly appreciate every single one of you guys. So until next time, you know that drill. Keep a smile on that gorgeous face of yours, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye, Crafty crew. Out.